Out here doing some more cooling tower inspections. So this site's got plenty of them. We got like 10. This guy definitely ain't doing so well. Moving quite a bit. Every time you step right here, definitely hitting the sides. Lift off. Pretty big ceramic towers. I'll have to go down and show you guys. So, came up there. I come all the way down and then climb back up. Be able to see all the fill here in a second. Obviously this one's not running. All the way down. So. First time I've ever seen towers like this. These are old, the 90s. That's it.